This is ALCATEL 1T10 Smart, and today I will show how you can scan a document into a PDF file on this device. So to start, you will need to launch the Google Drive app that should come pre-installed on your tablet. Unless you have manually uninstalled it previously, then just get it from the Play Store absolutely for free. So once you've launched the Google Drive app, tap at the plus icon over here, choose the scan option, then grant the Google Drive app with the camera permission or allow it to use the camera. And then you gotta take a photo of whatever document you have. Here is mine. So let me quickly shoot a picture. So once you have taken the picture, you can proceed. The following interface allows you to edit your scan in the ways that you can, for example, rotate it, change its color scheme, or frame the part of the original photo you would like to make it to the final scan. Firstly, I'll rotate the document, then I'll edit the automatic framing, making sure that all the text is included into the scan. And then I'll also perhaps change the color scheme to, let's say, color drawing. Then hit the save button over here. At this final stage, you can rename your file if you want to, or change the drive location the file will be saved to, and then hit the save button one last time. Wait for your result to be uploaded to Drive, then go into Files. And here is the result. So that will be it for this video. Thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye bye.